I'm gonna bend your finger down and touch the cigar.
What it sucks. It was boring. And it's my
Read our books.
All right, Dolphins, everybody out. Andrew, Justin, Lindsay. Sammy. John. Right over here.
Well, yeah, the girls, Christine and I were talking about it. It takes the kids a little while to get used to one another and being out of school. It's different. Than at school.
All right, Dolphins. Right over here.
Another thing, I thought, wow, he's really good.
Yeah. Shark's going.
You know, he's like a dad.
Yeah.
And then I had to laugh because I don't know if I could do something.
Well, Pat coached last year for Pierce, and Pierce was even worse last year. And I said to Pat when he was going to do it again, I said, you know what? I don't care. And so they're so desperate for coaches, and that's probably what got him out here. Plus, this one loves, you can't really tell, but well, she just turned 4, so she's still young. But she loves her soccer uniform, and at home she's always practicing, and so we'll see.
She would always come to see Sam, my older son.
Okay.
Just spend the whole time kicking the ball around.
Yeah. Yeah.
Couldn't wait to start. Get out of here.
Yeah.
Go, Santana!
Go, go, go!
What's his name? Santana?
Tackle!
There she goes. Go.
Go tackle Daddy! Go tackle Daddy!
Right now.
Why are you videotaping?
On Grandpa's picnic on their anniversary party. All right.
You too. Okay, one.
All right, I'm just videotaping. Sorry, Grandpa.
Fabulous. No, you don't look taller than Kevin.
I'm running the battery down because I got to recharge it before the talent show.
You know, we were at a talent show. One of the bars in Buffalo.
There's going to be some live entertainment here tonight.
Oh, man. You know, rich guys kind of hang out, and they have their own little motorcycles.
Kevin, just turn
Does that
around.
mean we have to,
Kevin,
because we're getting free food, we got to stay for the talent show? Is that true?
yes,
Right.
you do.
He's in the picture, kind of in behind. You can see him. He's like standing up like this. Yeah. On his heel. He's a short guy, yeah. So he didn't want to look short against the other guy. I used to
Where? Oh my God, how'd you get there?
Videotape it!
You want some play?
God! Gita, that's so rude the way you're talking to your mother.
Mom, you're rude. You don't videotape a boo-boo.
You don't?
No, Mom.
Nobody ever told me that.
Mom, only her.
Okay, let's take care of it.
You want some
I want a Band-Aid.
And
I don't want my Band-Aid. I don't even want it.
the little face. That what's her name? Sergeant Shriver's wife. Eunice Kennedy. Sorry about that.
I don't want my candy. I don't want it. Mom, can I have Tossie's bag?
Yeah, go for it.
Mom, can you hold it?
Sure, I'd love to.
Mom?
Jack. Because there were so many people. I was like, fought out for some candy.
Hi, guys. Hi, guys.
Better not be on.
What?
No, he wasn't putting it on.
Hi, Mrs. O. Excuse me. Just wave and smile. Getting everything on camera. Grandma.
What? Oh, I take a terrible picture, honey.
Okay.
I really do.
Well, I'm just trying to get everything on camera. Hi, Joyce. Hi, George. I'm running the battery out.
So say hi. Oh, she's running.
I got to recharge it for the talent show.
All right, that's right.
So there's just a teeny.
Talent show?
There's going to be a talent show.
Oh, good. I brought my shoes.
The price of dinner, you have to sit through the talent show. The clothes, I told you where they are.
Coach sucks. Come on.
The business school.
Everybody wants something.
Hang out with the business guys. Very cohesive. And,
Mom, it hurts.
good.
Okay. Thanks for having the party, Mark. Oh, here's Caroline's. Oh, look at you. All right. There's Caroline's new mirror. There's Karen. Hi, everybody. I'm just running the battery down
Okay.
because,
Did you have a nice time in Niagara Falls?
yes, it was very nice.
Crowded,
Beautiful.
huh?
Super crowded.
Flowers.
All right, I'll go over here. Awesome. Oh my God. Hi guys.
Hey!
I'm running the battery out
Caroline!
because I want to recharge for the talent show.
Yeah. When's the talent show starting? After dinner.
When my battery's charged, 2 hours from now.
What are you doing? Oh, you're singing the song, right? Sing the song?
Yeah, I did.
Singing the song.
These two guys are the crazy kids down
Sir, you can't do it.
No, I forgot.
I'm not doing it.
Can't you just remember it? Hey, oh, they don't have a piano here. I was going to say, I bet you there's someone on this block that has that piano book. It's like so common.
Put your feet up. Yeah. Put your feet up.
Oh my God. Here they come. Woo! Mark, he's like a big kid with his toys. Mark. Are you going for a ride?
It's like riding in a golf cart when Alan's playing golf and he's driving. Come to the Foster's house. Oh, Johnny, they got so many toys around here.
Whee! It's a whole carload! Owen, are you okay?
The kids. Yeah, you'll be working extra shifts.
I gotta get Tucker one. I think we should see this 10, 20 years from now. You know what I mean? We'll go on and on. Remember him? Oh my God, remember him? What Here's Mark. No one's gonna get out, watch. No one will get out. No one wants to get out. Come on! No one wants to get out.
Lou, we're leaving now. Have a great trip to Washington. Well, we're going to leave the trip all the way out here for
I gotta get one of these for my spread. We gotta get a
Tommy and Kristen getting the whole trip on film.
We really like where we're staying. I'm glad we were able to kick out those Halabuda people from our room. You know, and we're gonna stay another week.
Yay! Yay!
Where's your Tommy?
Joyce, are you leaving?
I don't know.
Joyce,
No, he might be in the house.
No, his car's here.
We love you, California guys.
All right. Well, thanks. Hey, Joyce.
Yeah, I guess so.
Because I'm having a brunch in the morning, so bring your boys over, 11:30.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
We'll be there.
Good, I'm glad.
It must work.
I don't know. I haven't tried.
Pretty ingenious.
I don't know. I was laughing. Elizabeth was laughing. You were in the backseat laughing, and John was like, "What are you laughing about?"
Hi, everybody. How did you like your anniversary weekend festivities?
Well, it was fabulous because it never ended, just on and on and on, and everybody outdid themselves.
Kristen, did you like it?
I had a blast. I really enjoyed it. My whole family they've been having fun since we got here.
What about you, George?
Great.
And you boys? You guys did nice jobs, too. I thought you did a beautiful job, John.
Is Tori playing now?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna go with John to watch her game.
Oh, good. You'll love that. Bring a sweater, though. Okay, because it's windy down there. Mary, were you looking for me?
Yeah, I wonder what happened to the ham shada.
No, what?
Did it come out?
Yeah, you should try it.
Oh, I didn't see it out there.
It's so good.
It is good. Oh, good, good.
I'm getting everybody. I'm coming in close for. I'm coming in for the close-up for the baby. Is it chair comfy, Tom?
Can I try?
You want to be? Okay, let me just get this group. Have you ever done this before?
Yes, but I just don't know how to keep it going.
Okay, well, here's the thing. It's on right now. Here's the thing. The most important thing is to keep it steady and to go a whole lot slower than you normally go. Because if you go fast, it's on right now. Now, look through. I'm going to take your thumb. Now, when you press now did you press it slower than
How did you like the party?